I got over 1 million impressions across different social platforms, and I got over 2,000 new email list subscribers. And I'll be breaking down the entire system for you today so you can see how you can have automated content and then how do you actually monetize it so you're not just getting views for no reason. A little bit about me. My name is Johan Sathinathan. I built and sold 3 SaaS companies before I turned 22. And now I focus on Cinder AI, where we build AI agents for different companies. And one thing that I've been focused on recently is how do you actually make automated content? Because that's another thing that AI can really help. And some different problems have come up across the way. And I was able to learn from them, build solutions for them, and I'll be sharing them all with you entirely today. So in the last 90 days, I got around 931,000 impressions, and that resulted in over 2,000 newsletter subscribers, all for the cost of $34. So everything I'll be sharing with you today, but let me break down the entire system for you. The thing that I saw is that making content isn't the problem because it's very easy to make content. You can make it yourself, but then you introduce the risk of burning out. You can post daily and burn out. So that's where you want the automated content. You can have automated content, but that introduces a new problem of you getting views, but you don't own any of it. Because imagine if you got 1 million views, but you do not own any of it. You just got 1 million views for no reason. It's not going to generate you any money. So that's another problem. And nobody really focuses on the machine behind the content. That is what I did build, and I made it entirely open source. So the link's down below, and I'll go over it right now. So the entire system, this is a rough overview of the entire funnel that I built, but it's generally automated content. People comment different keywords. I auto DM them and I get their email. And then after I get their email, I just nurture them, push them to different offers, different landing pages, and I just keep repeating the entire thing every single day. So the content gets the views, the funnel, which is this part right here, turns it into actual money. So let me break down how it actually works. So the first thing is the automated content. And this entire thing is open source right here, Reels Engine. I'll put the link down below. You can literally just copy this GitHub repository link, give it to Claude Code or Codex and tell it to set it up for you. Roughly how this thing works is it researches to find winning topics. For me, my niche is AI. So it checks GitHub Trending and Hacker News to find trending AI repositories. And that's the content that it makes it about. It makes a script in my voice so it doesn't sound like AI slop. It does quality assurance to make sure that my head isn't cut off, that the captions are very good, that the graphics are very good. And then it sends me a message on Telegram with the actual video every single day. So all I'm getting is a Telegram message with a video saying approve or deny. After I approve it, it uses Metricool to post it to every single platform. Metricool is right here. And as you see here, in the last about 6 months, I got 1.1 million impressions. And a lot of those were in the last 3 months when I really started pushing AI content. So in the last 3 months, it's close to 1 million impressions. Most of those videos are all made with AI with this open source repository right here. And again, the link will be down below. This is roughly how that repository works. So the second thing is that you get all the views. You have the automated content. You can take the open source repository down below, give it to Claude Code, give it to Codex, tell it to help you set it up. It'll walk you through everything that is needed to help you get it set up. Make sure that it's for your correct niche. But then you introduce another problem, which is that you're getting views, but you don't actually own the views, right? The views are rented, but a DM is actually how you turn those views into money. And all of that happens with ManyChat. And I'm sure a lot of you guys have experienced ManyChat before. It's where people post and they say, comment XYZ and I will send you the link. And as you see here, my ManyChat for the last, 3 months, I have close to 3,000 or close to 4,000 contacts. The active contacts go for every single month. So it has been every month it resets. So that's why it goes to 0 and then it starts climbing back up. And I just need 1 or 2 good videos to really perform well. And that could get me 500 or 600 new contacts. And I'll send them a DM. And after I send them the DM, I typically send them to a landing page for videos that are like this. This is all my AI clone. But so it goes on to go over those 3 AI repositories. And at the end of the video, it says comment repository and I will send you the link. And I have a lot of AI videos that are literally exactly like that. Here are the 3 trending AI repos of the day, comment repos, and I'll send you the link. And then in the ManyChat DMs, I end up sending them to this link where I get their email. And then after I get their email, they get redirected to the actual list of all the trending AI repositories and they get it in their email every single day. So that's how I end up getting their email. They see the video that's going over the trending topic, which is all automated with this open source repository, which you can set up. And then I have ManyChat sequence, which is sending them to a landing page, getting their email, and then sending them to the actual lead magnet and emailing them whatever is actually needed. So the thing that you need to remember is that you don't own your followers. You are a slave to the actual different platforms. If we check out Metricool here, we'll see that I have 21,000 followers across all different platforms, but my email list is only about 4,000 people. So tomorrow, if I wanted to send the email to those 4,000 people, I would go straight to their inbox and there's a lot higher chance that I can get them to a landing page versus me trying to access my followers. Because if I make a post, it is a very low chance that 21,000 people see every single post, but the amount of people that see the email list is a lot higher. So you need to focus on getting the views, turning them into actual email lists. I would rather get 1 million views, 0 followers, and 50 people to my email list, as opposed to 1 million views and 20,000 followers, but 0 people to my email list. So that is the big thing that you want to focus on. How do you grow your email list? And ManyChat is honestly the very, very big thing that changes everything. After you actually have the email list, what do? You need to point them at one specific thing. So every single newsletter should be extremely valuable. Make sure that you focus on them just opening the email. So have a very good subject line, and you could use AI for this entire thing. Make sure you use AI saying, hey, I have an email list. This is my offer. And typically what I'll do is, for example, one thing that we like for Syndra is getting more calls booked. So I'll just copy this link, and then I will give that to Claude Code and say, my goal for this email list is to essentially get them to book more calls. I want to make sure that I'm talking to the right audience. I don't want to get random people booking calls. I want to make sure that it's the right people. So in the actual email, it will have a very high value content. It will just have high value content, making sure that the reader is engaged. And then it will funnel the right people saying, hey, if you are a business owner doing XYZ, we want to make sure that we can talk to you. We'll give you a free AI audit. Feel free to book a call below. And there's a lot higher chance that you can funnel people from the email to the actual offer. So make sure that you just keep nurturing people. Give them value every single newsletter, 2 times a week or 1 time a week. Give them as much value as possible. And then have very clear call to actions specifically at the people that you want to go there. So do not say at the start of the email, book a call, because I have a lot of people on my email list and a lot of people do not match my ICP. So I do not want to waste time on calls with people who are not actually going to end up being something. So it's a lot better to be specific, call out the right people, and make sure you point them very clearly saying, cool, if you're a business owner doing XYZ, book a call and we will be happy to give you a free AI audit. And just keep doing that every single week, keep nurturing, giving them value and pointing the right people to the right place. And that's how you can roughly turn automated content into actual money. So every video is a small salesman in the sense that it's entirely automated and it's just getting views. So every video can end up getting 10,000 views, and that could end up being 500 people to your email list. And out of that 500 people, it could end up being who knows how many people are actually booking calls. It's all part of the funnel where you cast a very wide net, get the views, and then just keep getting them further and further down each step. I have the link down below to my community, school community, where I help you set up the entire Reels engine, which is very easy. You can also just set it up by copying and pasting it, giving it to Claude or Codex. And after that, it'll set it up for you. And you can come over to ManyChat and set up the different ManyChat sequences based off your content so that people actually comment and they get sent to a different landing page. You can capture their email and then funnel them from the actual views all the way to the point of whatever your offer is. If that's booking a call with you, if that's buying a digital product, whatever it might be, this is roughly the entire funnel and how it works. So I hope that was helpful. You can build out the machine with these stuff right here. Simply just get the open source repository with the link down below. If you want more help, I have my school community where I'll walk you through, make sure it's tailored to your offer, whatever you might have. I hope this was helpful. Keep building, keep shipping. I'm rooting for you.